So I'm just going to give y'all a quick little snippet on how good this wax is. So I am using Sexy Smooth Wax, their Trickle Pink Wax, and I am doing an underarm wax. And as you can see, I picked up enough wax to cover the whole area of the underarm. So I've literally tried every wax within their collection. I think, if I'm not mistaken, they have 5 different waxes. I'm going to link their page down below if you want to go and check them out. But we're not new to Trickle Pink. I think I used it about 3 different times already. So I did go ahead and apply the wax in the direction of the hair growth, making sure I cover every section of the skin I am trying to remove hair on. It's where it's evening out those corners to get a good lift. So this wax does dry pretty quick, so I'm not going to leave it on too long. I'm just going to make sure that it's dry, and then I'm going to hold the skin taut and remove. Now, am I tripping or not, or did this wax pick up almost every hair? If you want to see the rest of this video, you can head over to my YouTube channel. Link is in the bio.